kong tuna!
Tama!
Okay, so for today, we're gonna be doing Eat or Pass Challenge.
May naka-blindfold.
Yes, naka-blindfold kes.
Eat or pass?
Eat.
Pass. Pass.
Go! 3, 2, 1, go!
Oh my God! Oh my God! Pass ni Jello! Kita siya sa camera.
Pa.
Okay, eat or pass?
Eat. Okay, I'll choose eat this time.
Pass.
3, 2, 1, go! Ah! Oh my God! Oh my God!
Kaya pa dilatyaw. Pa dilatyaw.
Ganun dyan ni bakla.
Basta wala nang sili at saka pareho.
Namu!
Nag-20 ko the favoritism.
Uy! Bakit naipanalo ko yan?
Game, eat or pass?
Pass.
Eat.
Eat.
3, 2, 1, go!
Pass.
Kanya-kanyam yan? Ah! Okay lang, pipino naman sa akin.
Maglaway ka.
Okay, eat or pass?
Eat.
Eat.
Pass.
3, 2, 1.
Ay, bag lang.
Hello! Pipino.
Natiluya.
Ginger.
Uy kayo, mami.
Eat or pass?
Eat!
Eat.
Eat.
Remove.
Paldo.
Oo.
Eat or pass?
Eat!
Pass.
Pass na.
Let's go! Ano ta? Oh my God! Oh my God! It's a spaghetti! Na.
Eat or pass?
Eat!
Pass.
Pass.
1, go.
Ay! What's that? Eh, pass.
Iba sila kinangkot eh. Ay.
Eat or pass?
Eat.
Pass.
Ay, bag lang.
Ala, ano ba yan? Luya na naman!
Eat ka ba?
Oo! Ay, sorry.
3, 2, 1, eat pass.
Eat!
Eat.
1, remove.
Pass! Yay! Dalawa!
Eat or pass?
Eat!
Pass.
Eat.
3, 2, 1, let's go! Perfect! Oh my God, tumago! Oh my God, I'm so sorry. Oh my God. Thank you!